Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do a color by code. That's for fall. So let's start by solving these problems. So these look kind of hard, but if we use our number lines and our strategies, they're not going to be too hard. So let's start here on this one. So we know 8 plus 8 because that's a doubles. So what's 8 plus 8? 16. Good, and let's look around. I know this one looks like what? 10 friends. Very good. 3 plus 7 is a 10 friend. What about 7 plus 7? That one is a doubles, and that answer is 14. And here in this little leaf, we have another doubles. 8 plus 8 is 16. And right above the leaf, we have a 10 friend. 9 plus 9 is 10. Very good. And then in this little leaf, I see 4 plus 6. That's a 10 friend. Okay. So I think we got those ones. And now we can just go around and use our number lines or any of our strategies. So let's do 11 plus 2. So catch 11, count up 2. Ready? 11. What's the answer? 13. Let's do this one. Catch 12, count up 2. Ready? 12. 13. What's the answer? 14. Good. 5 plus 13. Let's start on 13 and count up 5. Ready? 13. 18. 10 plus 7. We know that when we have 10 plus 7, we just change the 0 for the 7. We keep it like this, so it's 17. 11 plus 8. So we just think 8 plus 1 is 9. So 11 plus 8 equals 19. 6 plus 7. This is a near doubles. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So one more is 13. 5 plus 12. So let's catch 12 and count up 5. Ready? 12. 17. On this one, 13 plus 4. Let's catch 13 and count up 4. Ready? 13. 17. What else do we have? 8 plus 11. So if we know that 8 plus 1 is 9, and if we just put the 1 in front, it's 19. And 6 plus 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. So if I put the 1 in the front, it's 18. 8 plus 6. We might need to use our number line for this one. So put your pencils on 8 and count up 6. Ready? 8. What's the answer? 14. Very good. And 10 plus 7, if we just carry the 1 and put the 7 down, it's 17. Same with this one. This one's going to be 19 because 10 plus 9 is 19. Same with here, we have 10 plus 5, so we just put the 1 and then we put a 5. And our last one is 12 plus 7, so put your pencils on 12, count up 7. And what's the answer? 19. Okay, now go ahead and color. I'm going to push pause, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all colored. Okay, when you're all done, it should look like this. Oh, I forgot a leaf here that's brown. And I forgot a leaf up here that's yellow. And either you can take this home or you can put it in the basket for your teacher to check. It's totally up to you. And then go ahead and get started on Dreambox.